let's start by creating a baseline. After creating the baseline, let's go to the issue navigator. So before, the user can query only R4J path and R4J parent. And now we have added a new entity property, R4J baseline, so that the user can query issues to a specific baseline. So let's start our query. The query will start with project ID, then backward slash and the baseline name. So let's try to search. And the issues under this baseline will be shown here. Also, changes in the baseline, such as renaming and deleting the baseline, will also reflect in the JQL query.